Alright, so we're looking at multiplying out the brackets. So when there's a single bracket, meaning that there's just two of these little lines, you've got to multiply everything outside by everything inside. So this 5 multiply against this 3, and the 5 is minus 2x, like that. So 5 times 3c equals 15c, and then we want to multiply the 5 by the minus 2x, minus 10x. Same again here, 5x multiplies 3y, 5 and 3 is 15. X and y are different, so you just write it out like that, plus 5 and 2 is 10, and then x z, or z, depending on what you like. Double brackets, everything has got to be multiplied by everything. So everyone's got their own way of doing it. I tend to go 4x times 2x, that equals 8x, and then 4x times minus 5 is minus 10x. Sorry, I forgot the squared here. Have I forgot any other squares? No, I haven't. Sorry. So this 4 times this 2 is 8, and obviously this x times x is squared. And then so this 4x times minus 10 is minus 10x, like that. And then I tend to do third like that, and then like that. So 3 times 2x is plus 6x, 3 times minus 5 is minus 15, and you can simplify this by 8x squared minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4x minus 15. When you have a square root like that, or a square, I would always rewrite it just so you don't make any mistakes, because it's kind of tricky when it's not written out longhand. So the furthest away one times that, y squared, y times 3 is 3y, 3 times, so I'll make sure it's nice and clear, 3 times y, again is 3y, and 3 times 3 is 9. So that equals y squared plus 6y plus 9. Triple brackets. I would treat it the same as double brackets. What I would do is get rid of something, treat it as double bracket, solve it, and then I'll chuck in the third one. So I would rewrite this as y plus 2 and y plus 3, and I'll just forget about this for the time being. That equals, we take this to here, y squared, this to here, plus 3y, 2y, plus 2y, 2, 3, plus 6. So every single combination has to be thought of here. So is 3 times by the 2? Yeah. Is the y times by the y? Yeah. Is the 2 times by the y? Yeah. So it's just every combination's got to be taken care of, basically. Rewrite that as y squared plus 5y plus 6. We then bring that down, y squared plus 5y plus 6. We're then going to multiply it by the bracket that we didn't look at before. what I'll do in this case is I'll go through each of these numbers, go along, and multiply them by this number and this number, and then move on to the next one, multiply with this and this, then move on, and multiply out. So y squared times by 2y is 2y cubed. Y squared minus 3 minus 3y squared. Moving on, 5y times 2y, 10y squared. 5y times minus 3 equals minus 15y. Make sure you're good with the signs, so you always just want to be looking at the number before the sign before the number you're looking at. Moving on to the 6 times 2y, 12y, 6 times minus 3, minus 18. Then just rearrange it, put all the like terms together. So those are the only cubes. Y squared, that would be plus 7y squared. With 2 y's, minus 15 plus 12 is minus 3y, and then minus 18. Hope that was of use. With brackets, you just got to take your time, make sure you've multiplied everything by everything. Keep it longhand, do as many steps as you need, especially when it's triple brackets. Eliminate one, solve it, throw it in, and solve it again. Hope that was of some use, guys.